Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Fiat 500 logo. First, gather your tools. You will need a T30 screwdriver, an 8mm socket, and a plastic pry tool. Make sure your new emblem is the correct size and design for your Fiat 500. Always work in a well-lit area and ensure your car is parked securely with the parking brake engaged before you begin. To remove the front logo, begin by opening your car's hood. You will find 6 T30 screws along the top of the bumper that need to be unscrewed. Next, remove the T30 screws located within each wheel well. With these screws out, gently pull the bumper cover slightly forward. This action will give you access to the 8mm nut that secures the front emblem from behind. For the rear logo, the process is a bit different. You can often remove it without disassembling the trunk. Start by using dental floss or a thin metal wire to carefully saw through the adhesive behind the badge. Once the adhesive is mostly cut, use a plastic pry tool to gently lift the old emblem off, being careful not to scratch the paint. Finally, clean the area with a degreaser to remove any sticky residue. Now for installation. For the front, attach your new emblem by tightening the 8mm nut, then carefully push the bumper back into place and secure all T30 screws. For the rear, simply align your new adhesive-backed emblem and press it firmly onto the clean surface. Double-check that both logos are straight and securely attached. And hey, while you're upgrading your car, why not upgrade your kitchen too? Check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.